So we are going to study how to draw a cam profile. So first let us discuss the question. A profile of a cam, knife-edged follower is being used. Follower is this one. So first thing is follower move outwards through 40 mm during the 60 degree of cam rotation. Right? So this is the follower. This is our cam. So the cam is rotating. Say it is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So when it rotates 60 degree, the follower will go up a 40 mm distance. That means this is the 60 degree. So when this point reaches here, this follower will be moving up by a 40 mm distance. Then after that, the follower to dwell for next 45 degree. After this 60 degree, after this point, about an angle 45 degree, the follower will be in that remain in the same position. That is, it will be at a distance of 40 mm for the next 45 degree. That is, this much period of rotation, follower will remain pressed. Then after that, the next 90 degree, the follower will return to original position. That is, from this point to this point, the follower will slowly move from that 40 mm height to 0 height. And after that, this much degree, the remaining part, follower will be in the rest. So here it is given that the least radius of cam is for 50 mm. That is, this is the least radius. At the least radius, the follower will be at the lowest position. So that is given as 50 mm. And the next thing given is the follower is in SHM, simple harmonic motion. If the follower was in a uniform motion, then the velocity of follower will be constant throughout the motion. But here the velocity will not be constant, but will be following a simple harmonic motion. So first let us draw the velocity diagram. For drawing velocity diagram, we know this cam is rotating about a 360 degree angle. So what we will do is, we will draw a line and we can call this as total 360 degree. Total 360 degree. Now I am drawing a line of length 40 mm. This 40 mm means this is the length to which the follower rises, the maximum height obtained by the follower. This 40 mm. Now we know the first 60 degree, that is, let this be this first 60 degree. In the first 60 degree, the follower rises. Then after that, in the next 45 degree, this is the next 45 degree, this is the dwell time. Then there is next 90 degree, the follower comes to its initial position. So we know the follower follows a SHM motion. So what we do is, I am telling both the drawing cam profile and velocity diagram simultaneously to understand the thing. First, this is velocity diagram, this is our cam profile. With the 50 mm, draw a circle. So this is with the base radius, we are drawing a circle. Then we have already said that the cam shape is like this. So here, for the first 60 degree, we will draw a line like this. Then for the next 45 degree, we will draw a line. Then next 90 degree, we will draw a line like this. So this is our rising period, this is dwell time, and this is the return motion of the follower. Now, suppose if I am dividing this rise time into 6, so I am dividing the rise time into 6 parts. Rise time is being divided into 6 parts. Then what I have to do is, we already know this 60 degrees is the rise time. We have to divide this also into 6 parts, 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this is the dwell time. That means this is rest. At this time, follower is rest. We already know the follower will be at a height of 40 mm. So we are not dividing this dwell time. Then the next 90 degree. During that period, the follower comes to its initial position. That is this part, this 90 degree. So we are dividing again this into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we have divided here this 90 degree return motion into 6 parts, we are dividing this 90 degree also into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know the follower is following a SHM motion. So in order to impart the SHM motion, we will draw a circle like this, and this is the actually the half circle. And here what we do is, what we want to find the motion of the follower during this 60 degree and during this 90 degree. During this 60 degree, anyway, our follower is following in SHM. So we will divide this circle into 6 parts. This is the 6 parts, and the projection of these points will be found. So these are the projections. For convenience, we can name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, 5 and 5 will coincide, 4 and 4 will coincide, 3 and 3 will coincide, 12 will coincide, and so on. Now next thing is, after reaching here, the follower is returning to its initial position. There also what we have to do is this 6, and here we will name like this: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 6 and 6 should be joined, 5 and 5 should be joined, 4 and 4 should be joined, 3 and 3 should be joined, 2 and 2 should be joined, 1 and 1 should be joined, 0 and 0 should be joined. Now what we have to do is, we have to join these points. Join these points. So this is our follower motion. So during this period it will be at 0 mm height itself. During this period it will be at 40 mm height. So now we have obtained the velocity profile. So from the figure, what we have to do is, in the first division, so here also we have named 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, it is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So during 0, the cam will be at 0 position. That means here it will be. During 1, cam will rise from the base radius to a height represented by this point. So this much distance will be measured, and we will cut it here. So we will get a height. Then during the motion from 1 to 2, the cam will rise from the base circle by a height shown in this figure. This much height. So we will cut that much height. Similarly, in the 3 point we will measure this much height, and in that 3 line we will cut. In the 4th division we will measure this much height, and in the line 4 we will cut. Similarly we will do the rest. Now from this 6 to 6, the height is remaining constant, 40 mm. So this height and this height will be same. That means this height and this height will be same. That is 40 mm. So we will cut 40 mm here. Now again here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In line 5, from here 5 we will select the height, and it will be cut from the base circle. 4, 3. Similarly, we will be doing the circle. At last, these all points will be joined to get the cam profile. This is how you obtain the cam profile. Thank you.